Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account in 2026. Sometimes accounts get disabled because of policy violations, suspicious activity, or identity verification issues. But don't worry, there are a few steps you can try to recover your account. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official account recovery page of Facebook. Here, you need to log in using the email address or phone number connected to your Facebook account. If your account is disabled, Facebook will show a message explaining that your account has been disabled. From there, look for the option Request a Review or Appeal Decision. Tap on that option and follow the instructions provided by Facebook. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity. This usually requires uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the image you upload is clear and readable because Facebook uses it to confirm that you are the real account owner. After submitting the appeal form, Facebook will review your request. This process may take a few hours or sometimes several days. You will receive an update through your email address or Facebook notifications once the review is complete. If Facebook finds that your account was disabled by mistake, your account will be restored automatically. However, if the account was disabled due to serious policy violations, recovery may not always be possible. So, it's always important to follow Facebook's community standards and security rules to avoid account restrictions in the future. And that's it. That's how you can try to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll